fans, take a look at this beauty. 1970 Dodge Charger. Two-door sports hardtop, I believe would have been their technical term for it. E5 paint code, so bright red. Also had V1X code, so that'd be a full vinyl black top. I'm going to tell you where to check out that fender tag and VIN tag if you want to do any decoding in just a bit. First off, powertrain 440 six-pack underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, so torque flight automatic. Fully restored car. Let's take a look at the front chrome bumper, grille, those hideaway headlights. Iconic car from 1970. All right, still pictures. You can be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay, trunk, that fender tag, the VIN tag. Pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Look at that fender tag. You're going to see this would have been originally a 383 car. Now has that 440 six-pack underneath the hood. Done during the restoration. Take a look at the steel wheels, center caps, those BF Goodrich radials. What a great look on this muscle car. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see panels are nice and straight. It's not full of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Turn signal indicators in the hood. And yes, this paint looks as good in person as it does in this video, and it will in the pictures. Basically looks like it's wet, and it is put on there nicely. Look at how well that door fits. Original C55 bucket seat car with the C16 console with wood grain finish. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a little closer look at the interior. I love the top on this car, and it is absolutely beautiful. Very nice shape, bright work on the rear window, good. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can see from the rear to the front, this panel's nice and straight, paint looking good. Let's check out the chrome in the rear bumper. And again, the iconic rear, this beautiful 70 muscle car. All those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. I'll have a picture of the decoding sheet from the fender tag too, so you can take a look at that. You can sure do it yourself also. That fender tag will be in the still pics. If you like these muscle cars, maybe you're into Chargers, period, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can do that online right off our showroom floor. You can see up and down this driver's side too. Paint looks wet. Great shine to it. Panel's nice and straight, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You want to bring home some trophies. This car will do it. It is a head turner. The way it sounds, the way it looks, and show quality interior too. Take a look at this. Door panels looking good. Bucket seats. You can also see seat belts intact. Of course, you can have one for your lap belt and one for your shoulder belt. You can see tucked up there on the passenger side. Headliner looking good. Let's fire it up. If you stick around to the very end of the video too, Jason will drive it, show you how it goes down the road. And we're going to take a peek underneath the hood. Pretty stock looking dash. Oh, listen to that big boy rumble. Dash looks good. Good looking gauge cluster too. Check those turn signal indicators. Hood. Looks like this baby's got a little cam to it. Listen to this. Like I said, it'll turn some heads the way it sounds and the way it looks. All right, I'm gonna come up to the front here. I wanna pause this real quick. Let me get this hood open, and we're gonna check out that engine bay. And like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's gonna take it for a drive. All right, underside of the hood finished off as nicely as the rest of the car. And there it is, the big boy, 440 6-pack, power steering, power brakes. What a great looking engine bay. Again, show quality engine bay. Absolutely stunning. Looks good, sounds good. Real deal 1970 Dodge Charger, 2-door sports hardtop. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. When you call in or email, the number to call, 507-386-1726.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1970 Dodge Charger. A really nice running car. This is an automatic on the center console. Looking good in red with black interior. This car started easily purred right away. You can definitely tell you've got big block power when you put your foot down. It's fun to drive car. Our speedometer is working as it should. Fuel gauge is reading almost empty. The temperature is about 130 and rising. Over here, the oil pressure of around 30 psi, and the alternator is charging above halfway on the gauge. The wipers work on this car. The blower motor also works. Brakes feel good. That feels like power brakes and power steering. Nice vinyl bucket seats in this car. People talk about how these corner, how they're made to go straight. I don't know, it corners nice. Corners as it should. I mean, it was 1970. But it is fun to go straight.